Hi there guys, it's Rick here. This is for Amanda and Alex and a couple of others who've asked for a little video of my expanded Alesis Nitro kit after I put a picture of it on the DBO website with a bit of blurb about what I did. But basically started off with a 5-piece basic rubber pad Alesis Nitro kit, very cheap, second hand off eBay, and quite quickly realised that a rubber snare was a bit crap. So swapped that out for a Roland 10-inch PD 100. Much nicer triggers, much nicer feel, nicer rim shots, does the stick clicks reliably. So yeah, much nicer as a snare drum. And so I took the rubber pad that was the snare on the original Nitro kit and put it down for the bass drum because the tower kept moving around and the rubber pad on it was too small really to get double beaters for a double bass drum pedal on. So that was better, but again the rubber pad just doesn't give you the kind of feel and rebound of a real drum. So in the end I bought a second-hand basic Alesis mesh pad, just a single trigger one, super cheap again, off eBay, and put that down there as my bass drum, which works really well, gives you some rebound, it's a tunable, you know how much tightness is on the head, and plenty of room for double beaters. And that left me a rubber pad to use as a cowbell, and got another one as a percussion pad on this side, which has got wood blocks on it on this kit set, but you know, I can assign different stuff obviously to that one whenever I like. So I've got 3 toms from the original kit, and then a wood block on that side, cowbell on that side, wood block on the other side. I've got the original hi-hat, which does the closed, open, the chicks, usual stuff. And then when I got into using the double bass drum pedals, doing the basic beginner course on that on Gabe's lessons, I realised I could do with a closed hi-hat when I haven't got a second left foot. So I've got a fixed sound of a closed hi-hat on this pad and the regular hi-hat on the other one. And then also, because I'm left-handed but play open on a right-handed kit, I've always found it hard to do tom sort of driven beats because I can't cross over and hit a floor tom without clashing sticks with hitting the snare. So I put another floor tom pad on the left, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 toms, and I can do that kind of stuff, you know, with tom driven beats. And then in terms of cymbals, I've got 2 crashes, which are both chokeable, and a China splash in the middle. And then I've got the original Alesis ride, although I changed the pad for a slightly larger one, but it's just a single zone pad. But I couldn't really get a decent bell sound with the original Alesis stuff. So I ended up buying a second-hand Sample Pad 4, which allows me to do other, you know, electronic sounds. And at first I was thinking I might use that as a ride cymbal with a separate bell on it. But then I realised you can have an external input into that sample pad, which was a stereo input, which I split into 2, and that gave me these 2 cymbals, one of which I've layered 2 sounds of a crash and a tambourine to get a kind of stack cymbal effect like Gabe's. And then the other one I've layered quite a nice ride sound with a bell which sounds when I hit it harder, because you can adjust the thresholds on the trigger settings. And obviously I can use that bell with the other ride. So ended up with something that's really quite nice and lots of possibilities, and I'm able to play along with pretty much everything that Gabe's doing with his kit. So yeah. There you go. Lots of fun.